From data to dollars, leveraging AI for financial success. Are you ready to turn your data into dollars? In this video, From Data to Dollars, leveraging AI for financial success, we'll explore how artificial intelligence is transforming personal finance, investing, and business decision-making. Learn how to use AI-powered tools for smarter budgeting, predictive analytics, and automating income strategies. Whether you're an entrepreneur, investor, or just data curious. Packed with real-world examples and actionable tips, this video is your shortcut to understanding how AI and machine learning can boost your bottom line. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's profoundly changing the financial landscape as we know it. AI is revolutionizing how we manage money, make investments, and assess risk. It enhances efficiency, decision-making, and ultimately financial success. One of AI's most significant contributions is its ability to automate repetitive tasks. This is especially valuable in the often tedious world of finance. Think about invoice processing, fraud detection, and even customer service. AI can handle these tasks with speed and precision. This automation frees up human employees to focus on more strategic and creative work. It allows your team to concentrate on tasks that require uniquely human skills. The result is a significant reduction in operational costs. AI-powered systems work tirelessly without the need for breaks or overtime. Automation also minimizes the risk of human error. This leads to increased accuracy and overall efficiency in your financial operations. AI truly shines when it comes to analyzing vast amounts of financial data. It can sift through information at speeds that are impossible for humans. This capability allows AI to identify patterns and predict trends with remarkable accuracy. It uncovers insights that would otherwise remain hidden. These insights enable you to make more informed investment decisions. You can leverage AI's predictive power to optimize your portfolio. AI also improves risk management strategies. By identifying potential threats early on, you can mitigate risks and protect your assets. Furthermore, AI facilitates personalized financial advice. It can tailor recommendations to individual needs and circumstances. For example, AI can analyze market data to predict stock prices. This information can be invaluable for investors looking to maximize their returns. AI can also assess creditworthiness with greater accuracy than traditional methods. This leads to fairer and more informed lending decisions. And, perhaps most importantly, AI can identify potential fraudulent transactions in real time. This helps protect your business and your customers from financial crime. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are transforming the way people access financial advice. They provide 24/7 support, answering questions and offering guidance. These AI assistants can answer basic financial questions instantly. They can also provide more complex advice based on your specific situation. They offer tailored recommendations based on individual financial goals. Whether you're saving for retirement or buying a home, AI can help. AI also considers your risk tolerance when providing advice. This ensures that the recommendations are aligned with your comfort level. This democratization of access to financial expertise is a game changer. It makes it easier for individuals to manage their finances, regardless of their background or income. While the potential benefits of AI in finance are undeniable, it's important to address the challenges and ethical implications. Data privacy and security are paramount concerns. We must implement robust safeguards to protect sensitive financial information. This includes encryption, access controls, and regular security audits. The ethical implications of AI-driven decision-making also need careful consideration. We must ensure that AI systems are fair, transparent, and unbiased. Ensuring fairness and transparency in lending and investment is crucial. AI should not perpetuate existing inequalities or discriminate against certain groups. The potential benefits of AI in finance are undeniable. It's a powerful tool that can transform your business and your financial future. By embracing AI, you can gain a significant competitive edge. You'll be able to make better decisions, manage risk more effectively, and provide superior customer service. AI optimizes financial strategies, leading to greater efficiency and profitability. It's an investment that can pay off handsomely in the long run. Ultimately, AI leads to greater financial success. It empowers you to achieve your goals and build a more secure future. AI's impact on finance will only deepen as technology evolves. We can expect to see even more innovative applications in the years to come. AI will usher in a new era of efficiency, innovation, and opportunity in the financial world. Are you ready to be a part of it? From Data to Dollars dives into how AI is revolutionizing finance, turning raw data into smart, profitable decisions. This video breaks down AI tools for budgeting, investing, and automating money management, helping you unlock new income streams and financial growth with data-driven insights. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.